Screen kits. They come in different widths and lengths. Check online for your length you need. I'm going to unpack it, show you what you get inside. You get a whole bunch of cable. You get a nice tool. And you get your screen. You could use a scissors and you could use a razor blade. You're going to grab the screen. Going to take apart. Make sure when you take apart you get the stem out. Stem is going to be dried out and stiff. Throw it out. Clean up your work area and make sure the track is nice and clean. All the debris is out. It would be best to work on the floor than the table since your screen is a lot larger in both ways. Overlap all the corners. Cut off the excess and work with just what you have here. Lift the screen. Place it underneath. If it comes apart, don't worry. Put it back together and just get everything over like so. Make sure it's nice and level on one side and work right at the leading edge. Take your bead, place over, take the tool and start to work in. One end has a circle that it fits in there like so you can roll it in. Allow the tool and the bead to do its job. Now you can come over here and you can set it in. With the scissors, you could cut off the edge or roll it out. I like to work on the other side. I hold down this edge. I give a nice pull. And then I feed in the piece. And I lock in. I then curl over this end. I give a pull. And I feed around the corner. If you need to do some corrections, you simply pull off. You're able to readjust. And roll back in. And you did your correction nicely. You have enough to do one kit. You make a mistake and you want to practice, you got 2 or 3 tries. It's a easy fix, a simple way to go about it. A nylon fine screen. To keep those, you got it, out and you in, protecting your screen door. And thank you very much for viewing.